Hi, first subs, welcome in. 𝒮𝓉𝒶𝓎, mabuhay, and you're all back with First Eye. If you are seeing me with the same outfit, it is because this is my film day. It's, what is it today? It's the 7th of January 2019, and I'm not sure when this video will be live, but at least you know when I filmed it. But this is all about my unboxing of 𝘍𝙗's hauls, or everything that I have ordered from 𝘍𝙗's website, and that was during the Christmas sale. Yeah, so I will put the dates on when I ordered them and when I received them, so you will see. But if you don't know what 𝘍𝙗 is, it's like a department store here in Sweden, like let's say Walmart. I'm not sure if it's really Walmart, but like a department store. Yes, and it has lots of beauty, fashion, perfume, and stuff like that. Yeah. All right, and without further ado, let's get started. So here's the box from 𝘍𝙗's, and yeah, I kind of pre-opened it so it's easy for me to go ahead and open and share them all to you. So yeah, they have this return label, and then of course some information about the order and stuff like that. But these are the items that I ordered from this first unboxing. We see this first one from Rituals. Rituals, if I'm not mistaken, is a brand that originated from the Netherlands, and they are inspired by the wisdom and ancient traditions of Asian cultures. So they create extensive collection of luxurious yet affordable products for home and body. So this lovely red box and the pink box has the items that I got from Rituals, which I probably would be either keeping to myself or I will be giving away to my mom, of course, or we share. So for this first box with the red one, it has a very nice pink silk. That was not a bow though, but that was someone holding it. But yeah, so there. And then upon opening it, we see 4 awesome products in here. And these items are just so nice. Look, it could stand, except for this one item that wants to fall. This first item I'm holding is the natural dry oil for body and hair, and these are all Ritual of Ayurveda or Ayurveda. And this next item that I got in here is the Balancing Body Cream with Indian Rose and Himalaya Honey. Third item will be the Nourishing Shampoo with Argan Oil and 𝐻𝒾𝑔𝑽. And lastly is the Harmonizing Foaming Shower Gel with Indian Rose and Sweet Almond Oil. And all of these are called the Ritual of Ayurveda Rebalancing Treat from the Holiday 2019 edition. And they're all so amazing. I love how relaxing they smell because I get to smell them after I did this video. I'm just doing the voiceover right now. And yeah, lovely, lovely, lovely. It's perfect gift. And I really like to buy items after the Christmas because they slash some discounts, or they put some discounts on that and like slash the price. But going to this next item, of course, it's the most popular one, and it's the Rituals of Sakura. And this is called a renewing treat. I love this rose pink box that you can also reuse as well. And yeah, we have this satin band again. So pretty. Yes. So we also have 4 amazing items on this one, as you see. And I have tried this for several times. Actually, this is like my favorite of all the Rituals. And yeah, so this first item that we see in here, starting with this first item, is the Blossoming Hand Wash with rice milk and cherry blossom. Next one is the Magic Touch Body Cream with organic rice, milk, and cherry blossom. This next item is the Softening Rice Scrub, organic rice milk, and cherry blossom also. And lastly, my ultimate favorite, is the Sensational Foaming Shower Gel with organic rice milk and cherry blossom, of course. And they say, celebrate each day as a new beginning for the ritual of Sakura. I love it. And this is one of the things that I love to grab when somebody celebrates their birthday, because I could never go wrong giving a rituals gift set to my lovely ladies. And yeah, this is just so amazing. I love this silk band in here. The box is so pretty, and I just cannot go ahead and just cannot wait to show you the other items that I will be unboxing on this haul, so stay tuned. So I have 2 more boxes in here, and this boxes contains the items that I got from the what we call advent calendar, wherein Olens have a discount from the 1st of December to the 24th or to the 25th of December. Yes, and I bought them on several different dates. And this first box has, dun, 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 dun. Of course, we have the return label and some information about this box, but yeah, I have 2 items in here. You can see right away. Yes, I am so excited. So this 2 perfumes, one is from Jimmy Choo, and then the other one is Escada, and they are my first from these brands. So let's start off with the Jimmy Choo. I love this box. It's very unique, and it's like a pink toned snake skin as printed on the box. So let's remove the plastic. I usually do not tear the plastic away because I love to keep the boxes, and yeah, even keep the plastics. So here you go. I'm carefully just removing this. Just some more information about this Jimmy Choo item while I am unboxing. The main accords are sweet. It has patchouli, it has fruity notes, warm, spicy, a little bit of floral notes, and some earthy notes. And the history of it is that this is the first ever perfume that Jimmy Choo released, and he just called it Jimmy Choo. And it was released on February of 2011. The main notes are modern type fruity with green top notes, tiger orchid, sweet toffee caramel, and Indonesian patchouli. So this is just a lovely bottle, as you see in here. It's very unique. I love the cap as well. I got it on 40 ml, but it's also available on 100 ml. So this is 40 or 100. And of course, I think there are some miniatures of this too. And it's just so nice. And I feel like I best love to wear this during, let's say, winter and fall, or fall winter, because I feel like that's it's a nice scent for the colder season, and mostly for the nighttime. And then to this next item, we got here Celebrate Now by Escada for women. So the main accords is floral, vanilla, cinnamon, warm, spicy, and aromatic. So this is how the box looks like. And the Escada logo on the top. So let's go ahead and remove that plastic in there and give you some information about it while I do so. So this Celebrate Now with N.O.W by Escada is an oriental floral fragrance for women. So Celebrate Now was launched in 2017. The top notes is ginger, middle notes is magnolia, base notes are cinnamon, vanilla, and tonka bean. This is how the bottle looks like. It's so cute, perfect for like Valentine's Day. And it has some hearts on it, surrounding it. So I gotta put the box at the back so you see it more. Just so pretty. I was able to go ahead and test this one, and I liked it when I tested it, but as time goes by, I feel like I wanted a little more from Escada, so I'm just gonna go ahead and share this to my mom instead. But yeah, anyways, at the bottom, of course, you could see the usuals, like how many mLs it is. And here's the cap. I like the atomizer of this. Is really pretty. There you go. Love the transparent cap there also. Both are very beautiful, but I think that I'm just gonna keep the Shimmy Choo. But last and definitely not the least, something that I'm so excited about. I think this is the highlight of my unboxing, and that's the reason why it was the last, of course, because you know me, I always save the best for last. And I'm just really excited to go ahead and share this to you. I have tried this several times in 𝑽𝑗𝑠 on the perfume area. And I really wanted to get the other one too, but I will be needing to wait for a sale because you know me. I love my sales and I just usually buy items on sale. And ta-da! It is no other than Oscar de la Renta Bella Blanca. I am so happy I finally get my hands on this one. So to tell you more about it is that this Bella Blanca represents the natural elegance and pure grace of white flowers with woody and musky undertones. So the composition was developed by perfumer Harry Fremont of Firmenich, with sparkling notes of pear, dew, and green leaves fusing with a floral bouquet of jasmine rose, orange blossom, and tuberose. Creamy sandalwood, white orris, and silky musks are in the base of the perfume. So those are the notes. And then it also says that the fragrance bottle, which we are going to get right now. Yes, let me just go ahead and grab this one. Ta-da! Yay! So going back, the fragrance bottle is covered with three-dimensional white flowers and decorated with a gold plate with the name of the perfume. It's so stunning. It's so pretty. And seriously, I would grab the rose one and then the new one that just recently came out this year. So the face of the advertising campaign shot by photographer Christian Schuler is model Xana. So it comes with three sizes, 30 ml, 50 or 100. I got the 50 ml. And this was launched in 2018. So those are the three perfumes that I got from 𝑽𝑗𝑠. Together with my rituals right here. And once again, these are the perfumes. And I hope that you like this video as much as I loved unboxing this and sharing this to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let's continue the conversation on the comment section down below. And remember to always stay fierce and fly high. And I will see you all on my next video. I love you all.